Trucks aren't just vehicles. They're built for work, adventure, and beyond. But imagine taking yours even further. From cutting-edge tech to game-changing accessories, today's innovations boost performance, enhance convenience, and make every ride smoother, safer, and more efficient. Whether you're an off-road warrior, daily commuter, or long-haul driver, these must-have upgrades will completely transform your truck experience. Let's dive into the latest inventions you simply can't afford to miss. Blackview Truck Dash Cam. See everything. Miss nothing. Meet the Blackview DR770X2CH truck. The advanced dashcam system built for the demands of modern commercial transport. Capturing every journey in stunning Full HD 1080p at 60 frames per second, powered by Sony Starvis sensors, delivering sharp, crystal clear footage even in the darkest conditions. The rugged rear camera is fully waterproof and tough enough to handle the harshest trucking environments. Front or back, nothing gets missed. With built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, and cloud connectivity, fleet managers gain real-time tracking, remote access to recordings, and complete operational visibility. Anytime, anywhere. And when the truck is parked, intelligent parking mode with voltage monitoring keeps your vehicle protected without draining the battery. Reliable, smart, built for the long haul. Blackview Truck Dash Cam. Every road recorded, every moment secured. Meet the Flyeagle SZS300BL Ultra, the heavy-duty semi-trailer engineered for serious agricultural transport. Designed to carry both round and square hay bales, this trailer combines strength, stability, and smart design in one powerful package. With a remarkable payload capacity of up to 29,000 kilograms, the SZS300BL Ultra handles demanding farming and logistics operations with ease. Its long, wide loading platform means more bales per trip. Fewer journeys, better productivity. Advanced tires deliver smoother performance and improved fuel efficiency across long distances. And with integrated tension belts and heavy-duty tarpaulins, your cargo stays secured and protected, reducing material loss every single time. Reliable, innovative, purpose-built for modern agriculture. The Flyeagle SZS300BL Ultra doesn't just transport your harvest, it protects it. Globe 55, ton hydraulic flip axle, heavy loads, zero compromises. Meet the Globe 55, ton hydraulic flip axle lowboy trailer, engineered for the toughest hauling jobs on the planet. With a massive 55-ton capacity, this trailer is built to move. The heaviest construction, industrial and oversized machinery with confidence and control. Its low loading height and long deck make loading large equipment safer and more efficient. And the hydraulic flip axle system gives operators the flexibility to deploy or retract the fourth axle on demand, optimizing weight distribution and meeting road regulations wherever the job takes you. Built to last with a powerful Honda Pony, motor, durable aluminum rims, and tough Apatong wood decking, every detail is designed for long-term performance. And with a 10-year structural warranty, Globe stands behind every trailer they build. Globe 55-ton, hydraulic flip axle, built tough, built to last. Right Track Systems. Tracks built to last. Support built to impress. Meet Right Track Systems, delivering innovative, rebuildable rubber track solutions for skid steers, trucks, agricultural equipment, and more. Engineered to perform in the toughest conditions: mud, sand, snow. These tracks are built where others fail. Customers report years of reliable, trouble-free operation, and it's easy to see why. The secret? A smart modular design that lets you replace individual components. Rubber pads, ice cleats, instead of the entire system. Less downtime, lower costs, maximum efficiency. And when you need help, Right Track's responsive support team ensures proper fitting and complete satisfaction every step of the way. Also introducing the BE Combi Coupling, a game-changing system that transforms light commercial vehicles into capable tractor-trailer setups, boosting versatility and transport efficiency for modern logistics operations. Right Track systems, the right tracks, the right support, every time. BE Combi Coupling, big capability, simple licensing. Meet the BE Combi Coupling, the smart transport solution that transforms light commercial vehicles into powerful tractor-trailer combinations. By converting a standard 3,500 kWh vehicle into a fully capable tractor unit, the BE Combi Coupling unlocks a combined gross weight of up to 7,000 kg complete with a subframe, fifth wheel, air supply, and an intelligent braking system that seamlessly converts hydraulic brake pressure into air pressure. Smooth, reliable stopping power every time. Connect it to a specially designed 3,500 kilo trailer, and you have a complete, stable, road-ready transport combination. But here's the game changer. Operators only need a BE driving license. No full commercial. License required. More flexibility. Lower costs. Zero complications. For businesses that need to move heavier loads efficiently while keeping operations simple and fully legal, this is the solution. BE Combi Coupling. More load. Less license. Total freedom. SAF Tire Pilot Plus. Balanced tires. Better performance. Meet the SAF Holland Tire Pilot Plus, the advanced tire pressure management system keeping every trailer wheel perfectly balanced, mile after mile. By maintaining equal air pressure across all tires, the Tire Pilot Plus extends tire lifespan, improves fuel efficiency, and significantly reduces unexpected breakdowns and costly downtime. Built to last with stainless steel air hoses and premium quality connections, installation is straightforward and long-term maintenance becomes effortless. A smart warning light eliminates guesswork, alerting drivers only when real servicing is genuinely needed. No unnecessary stops, no wasted time, and with full compatibility across CBX and ULX suspension systems, plus retrofit capability for existing trailers, the Tire Pilot Plus fits seamlessly into any fleet operation. Lower costs, fewer breakdowns, longer tire life. SAF Tire Pilot Plus, the smarter way to stay on the road. Meet the XT-Com90, the advanced load securing system redefining timber transportation. Powered by hydraulic technology and operated via remote control, securing heavy timber loads has never been faster or easier. No heavy lifting, no intense physical strain, just efficient, reliable performance at the push of a button. The XT-Com90's automatic tension control maintains constant pressure on your cargo throughout the entire journey, keeping load stable and road safer. Continuous monitoring keeps drivers informed, sending instant alerts if any issue arises. And when the trailer runs empty, adjustable stakes lower automatically, cutting wind resistance and saving fuel. Less manual effort, fewer injuries, greater productivity. The XT-Com90 isn't just a load securing system, it's a smarter way to work, built for the demands of modern timber transport. Kogel E-Cool, cold chain transport, zero emissions. Meet the Kogel E-Cool, the groundbreaking refrigeration system redefining sustainable cold chain transport. Powered by innovation, not diesel. The E-Cool uses the SAF Holland tracker axle to capture kinetic energy generated during braking, converting it into clean electrical power stored in an onboard battery. That stored energy runs the entire refrigeration unit. No diesel, no emissions, just intelligent, efficient cooling. Mile after mile. Energy that was once lost during braking is now recovered, stored and put to work, improving overall transport efficiency while dramatically reducing operating costs. For fleet operators navigating increasingly strict environmental regulations, the Kogel eCool delivers a powerful, practical solution that ticks every box: cleaner operations, lower costs, a greener future for cold chain logistics. Kogel eCool. Smarter cooling, zero compromise, built for the future of transport.